7 easy exercises for a flat stomach and a small waist. The dreaded waistline, a major source of self-consciousness and definitely a frustrating hard area to get in shape. Taking into account the added pressure of shaping up before beach season, expensive gym memberships, and the strain that a lot of typical exercises put on your hips or knees, and most of us end up losing the battle of the bulge. Well, worry no more, because we've put together a set of exercises for your abs and waist that you can do without getting up from your chair. So grab a seat and let's do this. Number 1, warming up. Sit on the edge of the chair with your hands in your lap. Slowly lean your body back while tensing your abdominal muscles. Keep going until your back taps the back of your chair, but don't put your weight on it. Slowly return to the initial position. Do 12 repetitions. This exercise warms your muscles up and preps them for working out, which is extremely important. Even if your training lasts just 5 minutes, you still have to get ready for it. Have you finished your reps? Great! Now that we're all warmed up, let's move on to the main exercises. Number 2, oblique twists. The starting position is the same as the last one, sitting on the edge of your seat with your hands in your lap. Put your hands behind your head so that your elbows are out to the sides. Slowly turn the upper part of your body to the right. Don't move your hips. They should remain facing forward. Stay in this position for 3 seconds. Then twist your body to the left. Repeat this set 10 times. This exercise targets those stubborn obliques. As a result, you'll be kissing that muffin top goodbye and saying hello to a slimmer waist and stronger abs. Don't rush it. Turn nice and slow. Otherwise, you might pull a muscle. And nobody wants that, right? Good job! Let's keep going. Number 3, forward bends. Again, put your hands behind your head. If it's more comfortable for you, you can lace your fingers together. Slowly bend forward and then return to the initial position. Don't use your hands to help you. Get those abs working. Do 15 bends. This exercise is just as good as traditional ab exercises like crunches or sit-ups. It develops a muscle called the Rectus Abdominis, which is the long, flat muscle which helps flex the spinal column. When trained properly, it'll give you a perfectly flat and toned tummy. Have you finished your 15 reps? Awesome! Let's look at the next exercise. Number 4, knees to the chest. Sit comfortably in your chair. Bend and pull your right leg to your chest, wrap your hands around your right knee, and hold this position for 3 seconds. Return to the initial position. Do 15 reps with your right leg. This exercise allows you to train both the rectus abdominis muscle and the obliques. Plus, even your thigh muscles get a nice workout too. Now switch it up and repeat the same with your left leg. Again, 15 times. Don't forget to hold it for 3 seconds each time you lift. Very nice form. And done. Number 5, leg raises. Before doing this exercise, make sure that your chair is nice and sturdy. Grip the sides of the chair outside your thighs for support on this one. With your tush in the middle of the seat, lean back on the back of your chair. Keep your back straight and your legs together. Pull your knees up toward your chest and hold this position for 3 seconds. Now straighten your legs and keep them up for 3 more seconds. Bend your knees once more and pull them back towards your chest. Then straighten your legs out again. Repeat this set of bending and straightening 10 times. This exercise might feel more difficult, but you need to involve your legs to develop the muscles of your upper and lower abs. Plus, this exercise is great for getting rid of that annoying lower belly pooch we'd all love to send packing. If you finished up, there's one more not-so-easy exercise coming right up. Number 6, knee circles. The same initial position as the previous exercise, bum in the middle of the seat, leaning back, hands holding the chair, and legs together. Now, lift your bent legs up off the floor and draw an imaginary circle in the air with your knees. Do 10 clockwise circular motions and 10 counterclockwise ones. This exercise is super effective for training your upper and lower abdominal muscles as well as your obliques. It might feel pretty challenging at the beginning, but if you keep practicing every day, you'll notice a visible difference in the mirror. Plus, as you strengthen your abs, doing this exercise will get easier with time. Number 7, scissors. One last time, same position, leaning back on the chair with both hands grabbing the sides of your seat for support. Lift your straightened legs off the floor and cross them together at the knees. Spread them to the sides and then cross again. Imagine that your legs are a pair of scissors opening and cutting. Let's do this exercise for 1 full minute. What's great about this one is that it works not only your abs, but also your inner thighs. Just keep imagining how good you'll look in those short summer shorts. Just a little time left. Come on, you can do it. Great! And our mini workout is over. Repeat it every single day and the results will surprise you. Some more useful recommendations. A major advantage of seated exercises is their simplicity. However, losing weight requires not only physical training, but also a healthy diet. So here are some recommendations that will help you achieve the desired results faster. Try to keep count of how many calories you consume according to the number recommended for your age, gender, and lifestyle. For example, a 25-year-old woman that leads a sedentary lifestyle needs around 2,000 calories a day. You can find special tables online that help you determine your recommended calorie intake. Your diet must be well balanced. Half of your daily calorie consumption should come from carbs, 30% from proteins, and 20% from fats. Foods containing omega-9 fatty acids will help you feel fuller longer, so you won't overeat. These acids can be found in olive and flax oil, as well as in peanut butter, avocado, and trout. What do you do to keep your body in shape? Tell us in the comments below. Share this video with your friends to help them get the flat tummy of their dreams. Maybe you can even do these exercises together. Strength in numbers, right? Remember to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and hit that big red button too. You won't want to miss anything amazing coming out on the bright side of life.